Alright guys, so I want to talk about this Search Labs AI overview. If you want to remove it, I found no way to remove manually. You can download a small extension which is called Hide Google AI Overview. So you can add this to Chrome, add extension. No need to do that. As you can see, it's actually used by 50,000 people, 4.8 ratings, so it's pretty good. And now we're gonna research it, and as you can see, the AI overview is gone. So that's all about it. But if you want to remove the icon of the Search Labs, for example, not the AI overview, so you can also do that. Let's remove this for a while and show you how to do that. So now as you can see the Search Lab icons. If you want to remove this icon specifically, you're going to click this Search Labs. You're going to click this gear icon. You're going to turn this off. You're going to refresh. And now we're going to try again. Sorry, not this one. We're going to go to search again. As you can see, that Search Lab icon is gone. And that icon is really annoying, and I understand that. Thanks for watching.